So for today's video, I am going to do unboxing because I received a new package today. So here it is. It's what call of that? It's a tripod for my action camera and a extra battery, and it has also a charging hub. So let's open it together. Let's take a look if there is no damage on it. So I'm going to open it now. So here is the first item. It's the tripod for my action camera and charger battery kit. So here it is. So as you can see, the item is so secure because it has bubble wrap. So let's open first the tripod. So it's a floating tripod. I read it in the description in the online store that it's a floating tripod. So let's see if it's really true. I hope there is no damage in it. So here it is. So let's open. So wow, here it is. The brand of it is Telesin. So it says here that it's a multifunctional three-way. So let's try if it's really true. So here it is. Wow, it's long. My God. Okay. There is nothing else. There is no stand. I thought there is a stand for it. You can see, maybe it's not included. So here is my action camera. So I'm going to try if it's compatible. So here it is. So my action camera has a stand now, but there is no. Why it's not included? As you can see in the picture, it's missing. It's really missing, guys. Let's open this. So let's open this. So charan! So here is the stand for it. I am so disappointed at first, but when I search for the item and I keep looking, I found it. So let's install it now. Thank you for the sealer because The item is so secure and complete. Thank you so much. So by the way, I ordered it in the online store here in the Philippines, in Shopee. So here it's now. My action camera has a stand now. Yay! Yay! Now let's open the charger battery kit now. So it has a bubble wrap as well. So let's open it. It's a Telesin brand. I ordered it in the Telesin official store in Shopee. So here it is. So let's open. There is no damage on it. Shucks. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I don't want to destroy the box. I want to keep it. So here it is, guys. Wow. So it has what color this? Has a guide. Oh, it has a cord and it's complete. Yay! So here is the two charger. The two charger and my charge. So here it is. So it can charge 3 batteries at the same time. Okay, so let's try to use the battery kit if it's working. So here is my action camera. I'm going to try the battery. It's working. So let's remove the battery first. So here's the battery. I'm going to try the battery from Telesin. Let's open my action camera now. So it's working. It has 34% battery on it. So let's try also this one because it is 2 batteries. Let's try also that one. There's my new battery. Try the other one. I have 3 batteries now. The other one. It's working as well. So I'm going to try the charging. All of that. Charging kit. I'm going to charge the 3 batteries. Let's see if it can really charge the 3 batteries at the same time. Okay. So there is no defect of all the items that I ordered, so I am so happy about it. I am so excited to use it. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching. So that's all for today's video. Goodbye. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.